Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use AirPods as microphone when recording video for better audio quality for videos on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, put your AirPods in your ears and make sure they are connected to your iPhone through Bluetooth. Now, open the camera app, switch to video mode. By default, your iPhone will automatically use the AirPods microphone if they are connected. You don't need to change any extra settings to check. Start recording a video and speak normally. Your voice will be sounded clearly louder and closer even if the phone is a little far away. This works best when you are talking directly to the camera, recording tutorial or reels, shooting videos in noisy place. If you stop using AirPods or put them back in the case, your iPhone will switch back to its normal microphone automatically. Just remember, keep AirPods charged, stay within Bluetooth range, avoid touching the AirPods while recording. So instead of buying an expensive mic, just use your AirPods for a clean and clear video sound. And that's it. That's how to use AirPods as a microphone on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.